Aloha, dudes and dudettes from Windansea Beach in La Jolla, California. Welcome to Seagulls versus Inspire 2 Drone Wars. They started attacking right away, so this is going to be a wild ride. Water temperature 65 degrees, swell is from the south-southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Air temperature about 66 degrees, and as soon as I took off, I dropped the elevation and the seagulls literally followed me right out to the peak. If you're in the San Diego area or Oahu, you might want to jot down my Instagram account and connect. Drone Surfer Dude with the letter X at the very end. I'll put it in the description box down below. I'm going to start sending out Instagram before I go to the beach to let you know which beach I'm going to, and I'm going to Oahu on August 18th. I'll be there for 3 weeks, so if you're in Hawaii, I'll be videoing every day. The Instagram account will appear on the screen toward the end of the video. So I'm out here videoing, minding my own business, and these seagulls kept strafing my poor defenseless drone. So I decided to put it in sports mode, which gives me speeds of over 50 miles an hour. I'm heading north and I'm just trying to get away from them, see if I could lose them. And I did this a couple of times, and I swing around and I tried to get a video of them, but it didn't dawn on me my camera is pitched down at a 15-degree angle and they're attacking from up above. I finally figured that out a little bit later on, so you're going to get some action shots of them as they attack. There's one on the right side of the screen. I don't know if you saw it. These guys are so persistent, it's just incredible. I don't know if you can see them. If you have a large screen TV, there was 2 of them up at the upper right hand corner. You can backtrack. I'm not going to rewind it. There's Rob and his family at Sandy Beach in Oahu. Got a couple of pictures I want to add. This is a great beach. I always hit this, and I'm sure I'm going to put a video out there this summer, because the southwest south swells hit the south side of the island. So I'm heading back now to the break. There's the peak, the lineup, and there's the guys. And I was hoping that the seagulls would get tired, but they didn't. Not only did they get tired, they were so persistent. Even after I landed and was going to put everything away, they were still strafing me. I've got videos of all this, so let's do a little surfing. Here comes a little peak, onshore breeze, at least 5 miles an hour. Not good. Nice little turn. The June gloom weather was on us. This was an attempt for me to lose the seagulls. Again, I'm about 2 feet over the water line, and I'm just showing you I tried to do everything possible to get away from them, and they kept attacking. Then now I finally figured out I needed to raise my camera. Okay, here we go. Now you're going to see them come in. Here it comes. They just kept doing this non-stop. There was 4 of them. Okay, back out in the water. Let's see, a nice little backside wave for the short boarder. This was the best ride, I thought. Long boarder. There's a nice cutback, drop leg backside bottom turn, almost. It wasn't backside. Nice wave. I should have continued following him all the way into the beach. And here we have a guy getting a nice ride. He's taking this all the way in, and I'm going to pivot and turn because of the bluff. If I continue to back up, then I have a chance of running into the bluff, as you can see it, and this guy's all the way in. These were nice little waves. I had to go back and swap batteries, and the only reason I'm leaving this segment in is because watch for the seagulls. I've slowed it down to try and capture. You can see the seagull coming straight in the center of the screen. There he goes, a little strafing run. They would fly by within about 2 feet or closer. Okay. Heading a little bit north and swinging back around, trying to get rid of those birds, but they were very persistent, clearly. And look at the reef down below. You can see the dark areas and the light areas where there's sand. If you have a smart TV, man, you got to see this on a large screen because it's just so beautiful. Okay. Back in the lineup. Get a couple more rides. And then I got sick and tired of being sick and tired and decided to fly back in and just put on autopilot. It's doing this all by itself. But you see those at the bottom of the screen, you see those row of houses there. Watch, because I got a picture. You can see the birds are still attacking. The birds actually landed right on top of the eaves of those houses, and then they used that as their strafing base. Alex came by and he was taking his little son, Caleb, for a walk, and there's a picture of him coming up. Very nice conversation. Having a good time. And there he is, Alex and Caleb. And there's your little bird right at the top of the screen, right in the center. Okay, dudes, my favorite ride of the morning. Cranks it off the lip, another bottom turn, then it does a drop side, backside, bottom turn. Very nice ride, dude. Okay, we got the short boarder coming in, and with that, I'll see you next time. I'll catch you on the flipper. 5x5 in the pipe, over and dude out.